where we're going.
I better put that away, otherwise I'll be done for being in public with a race.
So this is your daily commute now, is it?
It is. It's quite nice on a sunny day. So I think I'll have to stop off and get a bottle of water.
Yeah. So are we still in London? Is this still London?
We are now going over the border into Kent in a few moments' time. So you better get your passport out.
Yes.
And I've got the spirit. The spirits are with us because it's Sunday.
I'm also got the spirit. And?
Oh yes, it's the morning after the wedding, the night before.
So, I know you from somewhere.
I've seen you around.
I think my 27,000 subscribers don't know you yet, but aren't you Sean on the YouTube channel?
Well, I had a YouTube channel anyway. My YouTube channel is currently going on a break for 6 months.
Yeah, that's good.
And youtube.com/Sean James Cameron, spelled SEAN.
That's him.
Link in the description.
The garden guru from YouTube. Here we go. So, I'm so totally not prepared for this impromptu interview.
Well, you don't know who you're going to bump into on these buses.
Is there anything that you want me to ask you?
Can't think of anything. So where are you going today?
I have no idea. That's what I said. Only God knows where I'm going to.
We're gonna build a shed.
Yeah.
One of many sheds that I've built this year.
And I supervise. Talking about sheds, is there one person on this planet you would like to spend a day in a shed?
I think once I've got my shed finished, then I'll feel a bit more secure and settled.
But that's not answering my question. Is there one person on this planet you would like to spend some time or a full day in your shed, in your garden shed? Like any famous people?
Oh, right. Well,
like doing this like a proper interview? You know?
Harry Dodson, in Kitchen Garden.
Yeah.
He died. Well, he died 10 years ago. But I went to his funeral last year.
A ceremony, I guess. What
No,
funeral?
I went to his funeral. Apparently, when he died, they cremated him.
We are still in London, sorry.
They cremated him and put the ashes onto the shelf and forgot to put him in the ground.
Oh, really?
So I was
Wow.
invited to the funeral, but I spoke to him on the phone once, many years ago. So it'd be nice to have spent some time with him, and I was actually due to go and film him, but it was so expensive to get to. I kept saying, "Oh, I'll do it tomorrow," and it was a bit too late.
Well, obviously I didn't know about him. I only know about him because you had this watching
Oh, yes.
parties. Watch parties?
Watch parties on a Sunday night, which were quite good. Before the Facebook page got hacked and deleted. Very quiet out, I must say.
Yeah.
I think everybody still got hangovers from the wedding.
No, I was about to ask you, so yesterday you were not at the Rusty Lodge. Have you been to the wedding then?
Well, I'm not allowed to say, but I did a bit of filming. I did the wedding video for them, so.
I thought so.
Yeah. So I spent the time on the... I watched it for about... And then I thought, why am I wasting a bandwidth on this? I'll just watch the highlights when I get home.
I didn't even watch that, to be honest with you.
Well, the highlights were only 2.5 minutes. I thought that was perfect timing.
I can see it's getting green.
That's the house that I want there.
Yeah. You should, not me, you should everybody want that. But would you really want to stay here? Why don't you want to move to the countryside?
Oh, I don't know. The options are open at the moment. I might be going back to Wales. Who knows? Or Toronto. I've always wanted to go back to Toronto to live.
But that's a city, it's a town.
Yes, but the thing about Toronto is you can live 10 minutes outside and you feel as if you're in the countryside. Plus there's a beach there. I didn't know that. So everything is open at the moment.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow I will be visiting Kew Gardens.
Oh, really?
And
So do I.
oh, right, well, I might see you there. So we're about 20 minutes away from it, so I'm going to have to blindfold you at this point, so I'll see you in a bit. We've got a bottle of water because it's so hot today. One thing I did forget was sunscreen.
No, I have put on already.
Oh, right. The thing I do when I come up is I go to the greenhouse, community greenhouse, check on my plants. It's over there. I need to finish. This is our community greenhouse coming in. And this is my little section here. And the flowers are already starting to bloom. Nice lot of lettuce I've got. Can you see this? Just down there. So yes.
Quite big, isn't it?
We've got to keep the door closed, even though there's no glass in there. But everybody gets a space, and then this here is our community orchard. Yeah. And then the burning pile, where you can put all the rubbish. You feel as if you're in the countryside. So welcome to the plot. Would you like to sit amongst the shade of my birch trees on my seat? I'm really pleased because this has actually now started to grow again. Because when they turned up, they were in quite a sorry state, so they've actually survived. So all the way up to the concrete post there, this is my plot. So it's one big square.
Nice.
And now this is what I call a wildlife garden.
It is, definitely.
It's all there for the wildlife.
Sean? Thank you. Oh God. I know. Crazy people.
So here we are. We're topping up the roof before we put the roof on.
Cheers. So, hello everybody. How are you feeling?
Tired,
Me too.
but thrilled that we've done such a good job and that I've survived the heat.
Yeah, well done you.
It's quite nice, this shop bought lemonade. If you want to look at the video of this being made, then you have a look at tomorrow's channel. This is one time where I don't think even a cup of tea would do, rather than a glass. Although a bit of champagne in this one now will go down a treat. I do actually have champagne, but it's in the fridge at home.
Oh. Thank you for the offer though.
I'll drink an extra glass for you tonight. You're the cuckoo. The old wives' tale was if you heard a cuckoo, you would survive the rest of the year. I'm just waiting for it to fall.
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
Okay.
It's above me right a bit.
Was it on? No, don't tell me it wasn't on.
Oh, I did that yesterday. I thought.
Let me see this quickly. Was it on? Was it on?
If you want top quality gardening programs, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com// If you want top drawer gardening, then subscribe to youtube.com/ Sean James Cameron.